Uh, Hi guys. So another thing I want to present it is how to use my stand drill machine, which is sitting here. It's a very good one. It's vintage almost, kind of. It's a Buffalo. It's a Buffalo 15 inches lift, and yeah, I'm going to show to drill a couple of holes in through the metal, and whatever, how easy it is. Even with the hand drill it's easy, but remember, in Polish saying kto mazie ten jedzie, it applied here. Whoever is putting the grease, oil, kind of soap, it's much better. I would say easy 30%, not only faster but easier and more precise. Okay, so I'm going to use my regular drill bit, any kind, and show you how to drill through the piece of metal I find around here. Okay, so this is the oil I'm using for my drill press, especially if I'm drilling through the metal. Okay, now not always, but sometimes using the vise for it, and put a piece of plywood underneath. Okay, so you don't want to ruin your table with 1,000 holes in it. Okay, so let's find any good metal and we can test it. Yeah, this is a 1/4 inch plate, which is all right, and I want to use one more. It's about 16 gauge, maybe 2mm stainless steel. It's different kind of metal, as you know. It's more difficult to drill through the stainless steel like the regular steel. Okay, so for yeah, well, this is sharpened enough, even its old one. Let's try with a smaller one, not so thick drill bit, and see how it will work. Okay, for the flat piece probably I won't use the vise, or that is not necessary. Okay, now so put the flat steel 1/4 inch thick on it, and now I'll show you how to drill it without any oil and with the oil. Okay, we plug it here in. Okay, yeah, it works. It's not so much speed, but it's good enough. So now I will drill one hole without any oil. Okay, I am pressing kind of quite strong, and drill bit is dull. Never mind. Okay, now let's try to put a drop of oil on a dull, really dull drill bit. And see if this is help. As you can see, start picking up the long. Yeah, You see it start picking up the longer, how you call it, uh, chip of the metal. Still I have to push quite a bit because the bit is not that good anymore. But it goes through. Once you put the drop of oil, it will cool off the point of the drill bit and material, and it goes pretty good in. Okay. We are going there. Okay, now let's try to the good drill bit. This is not good. It was really dull or dull. Okay. Yeah, you can see it has some tip on it. Probably. Yeah, that was the problem. Okay. Now let me change the drill bit. Yeah, it's okay. This one. Let's try this one. Might be better. A good drill bit. In next video, I'll show you the how to sharpen drill bit. Very simple and gives some better life to your drill bits, but it's not like a new one anymore anyway. Let's see how this drill bit works. Now without oil. Not bad, it's cutting much better, much better. So if I put the oil, you'll see much better progress. A few seconds. Longer, never try to touch it or catch it. What's the name of it?
Shading.
No, anything like the. Okay, never try to catch it this off cut from the steel once it's spinning around a bit. I did once and it cut my skin through it right like butter, like sharp knife, you know. It will, or if it catch it with the gloves, man, it's very dangerous. So leave it up to the end, turn it off, then do cleaning. Because you have a tendency to make it and clean it because it's on the way, on your work. No, turn it off and then even with not the bare hand, because this is very sharp. Okay, so let's finish this hole. That's it. Now I would like to see how stainless steel will do. This is a piece of stainless steel and it's different. I don't have very high speed on it, which is good, but I want to see how it cut drill through the stainless steel. Put the oil on it and see how it goes. Yeah, it starts drilling. Yeah, you see how hot is it. So put another drop of oil. To marze, ten jedzie. There we go. There we go. We are good. Yeah. You can smell how smelly it is because it's hot. So yeah, it's quite hot. But the stainless, to cut the stainless is not simple task as to cut the carbon steel. That was only short tip how I want to tell you that use the oil and use the grease, like kind of grease I have around or you have around, and drill the hole. It's much easier and make your life much better. So it's easier, faster and more precisely. Okay, so when you do that through the metal. Thank you for watching, guys, and yeah, if you like it, give me thumb and subscribe. Thank you very much.